to Summit Storm News.
Love it.
Okay, welcome to Summit's weekly preview, brought to you by every Monday by Mr. Bedsworth, third period video arts class.
Okay, next.
This is what's happening around Summit.
Next.
The Sadie Hawkins dance will be on January 25th.
Next.
What's fun in the library?
Pause. Everything! Alright, go for
Brought
it.
by the library to see what's new contest is.
Clubs.
Okay, Hillary. Mondays.
Monday after school, buddies, something in A103.
Yeah. That's okay. You're good.
Tuesday, French club at lunch at A106 every second and fourth Tuesday.
Nice.
Wednesday is GSA at lunch in C104. Rubik's Cube Club at lunch in A211.
Thursday is Theater Club at lunch in D127. Poetry Out Loud groups at lunch in C107.
Nice.
Girls Who Code Club at lunch in A207.
All right, Fridays, film club at lunch in B215. Uncommon club lunch B131.
Have
a great